Day Friday, Apex Waterjetting, as you know, our purpose is to equip you to do what you do best. Our promise, our commitment is quality management, same-day shipping of parts, 24/7 tech support, and what I call a fair deal. This means we'll do our best to treat you right. We have some parts on display. The Apex Jet Lance, it's just absolutely beautiful and robust, I think. I'm a little prejudiced. APC, deck blaster, tumble box. But what I'm really excited to show you, in addition to this year, the StripeX 7000T, 40,000 PSI, 6.9 GPM, Hughes pump. This is the UB30 model. This is a vacuum system that hundreds of them are built a year. It's a proven vacuum system. It's a proven ultra high pressure skid. And so it's just a system that works. It's a beast. Great success this year with demonstrations and rentals. For the last 3 or 4 months, we've created a rental program that people are loving. It's going great. Just zero issues. But I really am excited to introduce you to the latest Apex innovation. So on the front is what we've been calling our Stripe Blaster head. At ATSA this year, we introduced it with a handle, and you walk behind it. Right after ATSA, a few people asked us to put that head on a Graco cart because we're a Graco dealer. And so we did that successfully. It now has a hydraulic power pack to where the arm is lifted up hydraulically so that you can move from location to location, check your jets, etc. But really since ATSA this year, I really, got the vision to pursue this idea of a robot and automating, pavement marking removal and runway rubber removal, and even, cleaning. So we understand where AI is, technology. It's phenomenal. I use AI every day, all throughout the day. It's phenomenal what you can accomplish with it. The options with this for programming are endless. They're just based, limited to our own creativity. So you can see we just unboxed it from Poland. This robot is designed by a group of engineers in Poland. The manufacturing, the engineering is phenomenal. I have the camera on a ladder right now, but when I get done with this clip, I'll try to get some closer shots of it. You see the green light right now, that means it's in go mode. I'm using a Logitech gamepad, and so I can hold down the dead man switch, they call it, and I can move the joystick back, forward, and then left and right. So this is, I think we're gonna call it either the StripeBot or the Stripe Blaster Bot, because we have the Stripe Blaster that you walk behind. Now we have the Stripe Blaster cart. So it kind of makes sense to have the Stripe Blaster Bot, but I kind of like the name StripeBot, but we'll see. This is just an illustration of kind of the speed. So this is just in regular mode, forward, regular mode, back. There's a button here, it's what I call the beast button, and it just means it's the highest speed it can go. I don't have much runway here. I'll be doing some more testing and video, but you just kind of get an idea of the difference in speed. So that's beast mode. You can put 220 pounds on top of here, even with a 30% hill grade or close. You can fully submerge this in water. You could run it on the bottom of a pool, for instance. I'm not going to, but I don't have any hesitation to run it in rain and wet conditions. You'll see Yeah, you'll see how nice, you know, everything is designed and, you know, protected by water. It has 168 or so pulling pounds. So connecting it to the trailer or any UHP system, 25, 50 feet of hose with dollies, it'll have no problem programming it, you know, and or just manually operating it. You know, a lot of people are gamers. I'm not, but a lot of people are, and I think this is going to be really intuitive for them to use and operate it. So in the pavement marking, you know, we're in the surface prep and industrial cleaning business, and we're growing that business, and we're going to find applications for this in that world as well. But, you know, this is set up for stripe removal right now. A lot of solutions out there, you know, take a commercial grade tractor like a mower, and they'll take the mowing deck off and put their own hydraulics and head and package together. But in that scenario, the human being is sitting on that tractor running it. And a lot of times there's live traffic coming really close, too close. What we've done with this on purpose is we're taking the human being away from danger. And you could even program it to where if someone came within 3 feet of it, it shuts the pump off. So there's so many safety features that we've pursued here, and things that we're going to be doing. But I just kind of wanted to give you a quick little snapshot. You know, like in the Strike Blaster cart where you can lift the head up, this will be the same. Even right now, you can put a cotter pin in there to check your jets or change your nozzles. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing some more tests. I'm leaving for the airport early in the morning, and so I just wanted to come in and shoot a little clip just to kind of give you an idea so far. But we're going to be connecting dry hoses to it, doing testing there. We're going to be running it up ramps and hill grades into trucks and vehicles. So a lot of dry testing, and then hopefully next week we'll have it out on a runway that we're at right now with the trailer and the cart, for instance. And so I think this is going to be a great environment to test it. You can program it endlessly, as you would imagine. I mean, you can, for instance, set your forward speed and then, or backwards in this case, and then set a cruise control, or you can pre-program buttons for certain forward speeds that you already know that's an average speed, and then you just automatically get there and then bump it up and down and fine tune it. And then once it's tuned, you know, then it does the work. I even want to have a camera here. The camera is going to read the marking and, you know, steer it and keep the center of the head right on the marking. So traditionally, you've wanted a little bit bigger head than the marking to give the operator room for error. This reduces, you know, that ability, you know, for the spray bar to focus all the energy on the marking and keep it precisely on there with no effort from a human being. And even in a lot of cases, I envision sitting in the comfort of their cab, monitoring it through cameras. So that's pretty much it. You know, you got your forward, your back, you got your left, and you got your right. So I think what I'll do now is just go shut the camera off and maybe do a few close-up shots. So we collectively engineered this racking system to connect to our arm with a cotter pin. See the Stripe X Stripe Blaster head. Like I said, a little bit of carpet dust here, but this is the company right here that we're partnered with. Love these guys. Phenomenal team. Here's the name of it, the Panther. Fully submersible underwater. Goes 7.5 miles an hour. Holds 163 pounds with ease. The working battery life, working daily, is 8 hours before needing to recharge it. 4 hours of charging gets it to 80%. You can order a extra capacity to even double that time. You can charge it wirelessly, you can charge it with a cable. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to take the next step. We'll keep you updated. Let me know if you have any questions. We have been able to partner with this company and from Poland and get the exclusive rights for water jetting for the ultra high and the pressure cleaning. We have just hired pressure cleaning, low pressure cleaning experts to help integrate low pressure cleaning solutions for industrial cleaning with this. So we're excited about that as well. But thank you so much for taking a look at Apex. If we're doing business together, I just want to say thank you so much for the business that we are doing together. We appreciate it. We've got an awesome team here, a great culture, and your business means a lot to us and our families, and we're here every day doing our best to work for you. So thank you so much and have an awesome day.